Welcome to the CoastalCraftFilAm channel. Today we're going to be unboxing this Echelon Connect Sport 2. So I got this stationary bike from Walmart. I was debating between the EX30 brand from Sam's Club, which is $399, but this was on a really good sale at Walmart for $290, so I couldn't pass it up. So let's unbox it. So here is the box. So here are some of the features of this bike. It has magnetic resistance, adjustable seat, adjustable toe cages, and you can connect it to the Echelon Fit app. Oh, this bike was really hard to get out. It's very heavy. Okay, so I finally got it out. So right now I'm going to put this mat in this corner so that I can set up the bike. So the first piece is this item. This is the stand. It's made of rubber. The second piece are the screws. So these are the parts that I got from the top of the styrofoam. I got this bar piece, metal piece. This is really heavy. And then I got this, the screws, and then I think this is the cup holder. And this is the adapter, 9 volts. So here is the Echelon bike. So here is the bike, and we got the handlebar over there. We got a whole bunch of set of other parts on the other side of the styrofoam. So there's the seat, and then there's the front stand, and the bike pedals, and some metal rods here. So here is the bike. It's actually freestanding right now, even without the stand yet. Okay, so I finally managed to get all the parts out. Now I just have to remove this manual, and we're gonna assemble the bike. So the bike didn't come with a printed manual. I had to scan the QR code and watch the video on how to assemble this. So the first step is to remove this 2 rods below the front wheel. I think the purpose for the rod is to like stop the bike from moving while it's in transit, or it's being delivered. So you have to remove those 2 rods, and then there is a plastic thing inside the there's a plastic thing below the wheel that you also have to remove. So those parts are just you can discard the parts. So you can see there's this black piece that I had to remove. So you can just disregard and discard those 3 pieces. And then the next part is this front stand. You're gonna have to put it in the front wheel. So you have to lift up the front of the bike, and then line up this metal rod in the front stand, and then just line up the holes and put those 2 screws, which is labeled. So the bike also came with a wrench and the hex screws that you would need for assembling the bike, so you don't have to worry about those. So I'm just tightening the screws here, and then we're going to proceed with the next step. Step I'm doing is the pedal. So all you have to do is to remove the screws. So to do that, you would have to use the wrench to hold one side, and then you can use the other wrench or you could use your hand to loosen the other screw. Once you remove the screw, just insert this piece and then lock it on the other side. A little trouble getting this in, so make sure you are cranking it clockwise to lock it in. So the next part that I'm going to do is attaching the water bottle holder to the front of the bike. That's the bottle holder, and then there's 2 screws that are labeled, so you'll know which screws to use. So it's easy. There's only 2 screws. Just attach it in the front. tighten the screws using the hex tool. So now we're going to proceed with this metal bar that holds the bike seat. As you can see, there are holes on this metal piece because you can adjust it, the height of your bike seat. Well, what I'm doing is I'm letting the boys help me tighten the screw. So I have it in the lowest level because I'm short. So I'm having them tighten the screw. So now we're going to be attaching the bike seat. So just to let you know beforehand, I'm not going to be using the seat. I've tried it. I've tried to sit on the bike seat and it wasn't very comfortable. So I purchased another bike seat that's wider. And I will also be unboxing that one. I'll show you that in another video. So I'm just attaching the seat right now just for demonstration purposes. So moving on, now we're going to be attaching the rod on the front of the bike. This is the bike handle. So just unscrew the knob to be able to insert this metal rod in, and you can pick the desired length that you would like. I'm gonna be putting this pretty low as well because I need a shorter. I need to be able to reach it, so I'm gonna probably use the lowest setting for the length of the handlebars as well. So my son is just helping me unscrew this knob. Oh, there you go, it went down. So I'm gonna put it in the lowest setting and then I'm gonna attach the handlebar. And the last two steps, you would have to attach this there's some wires here that you would have to attach for the bike to be able to turn on. So I'm showing you how to attach it right now. So just attach those, and then the last step would be to plug in the bike. So the plug is in the bottom, as you can see. So I have assembled the bike completely. As you can see, there is the light flashing. That means that the Bluetooth is on. I'm trying out the bike right now. It's pretty nice. It's very well built, but the seat is not comfortable, so I'm going to be changing the seat. So this is our video for today. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.